Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is the gorgeous Glossybox Easter egg. It's an Easter beauty egg. It costs £35, or if you are a subscriber to Glossybox's monthly beauty box, you're able to purchase this for £25. It has a value of over 100 and it contains 11 beauty products. This egg was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'll pop a link to it down in my description, as well as links to any of their other limited editions and also their monthly beauty box. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. First up, we've got a gorgeous product from Too Faced. I am currently wearing all Too Faced makeup and I filmed it. It'll be up on my channel soon. And I grabbed this because I knew this is inside the Easter egg, and I've used it so you can see how it looks on my skin there. It's beautiful, really, really pretty. It's worth £30, but look at the packaging. So you open it up and look. It's like a little jewellery box, look. There. So this one is Fancy Pink Diamond, but Too Faced have other shades as well. Now because I've used it, you might not be able to see the Too Faced that is written on there. But when I first saw it, I have to be honest, initially I was thinking, oh, I'm not going to like it. I don't like the pearlescent type, pinky, corally look to highlighters. And it looks as if it's quite shimmery, but no, it's not. It's just so beautiful. It's just really nice. It's just given a really nice sort of glow to my face. It's buildable. Yeah, it is really pretty. I'll try and, I'll put a little bit on my hand there as well. Might not be able to see. Oh, you can see I've been testing out eyeliners there. It is really, really beautiful. Yeah, I was shocked, but pleasantly shocked. Next, we have got a Shea Butter, a Pure Essence lip balm from Holika Holika. This is a Korean beauty brand. I'll save that. I'll keep that in there because mainly my elder son suffers from really badly chapped lips, so I'll see if he wants that actually. Next we've got here, oh look at the colour, it's purple and clear. I can't read it, what's it say? Neil Wolf Miracle Rapid Blow Dry Mist for all hair types. This is a brand new brand for me, I haven't heard of this. Anti-frizz, thermal protection, blow dry accelerator with lightweight conditioners, 50 mils. Have you tried this before? If you have, let me know what it's like. Ooh, it looks so pretty though, look. It looks really pretty though. I can read it now. Blow dry mist formulated to speed up drying time, made with a special blend of ingredients. It helps to add moisture, protect from heat damage, strengthen, reduce frizz and static, and even refresh and brightens colour. Next, we've got a product from Frank Body. This is a glow mask, smooth, and there's 80 mils here. Apply a thick layer to your face and neck twice a week, massage into skin well and leave for 5 minutes. Rinse with cold water. It says glow on, I dare you. So it's a face mask there by Frank Body. Ooh, we got a product by Neil's Yard Remedies. This is Wild Rose Hand Cream. Deeply nourishes and balances, moisturizes and softens with antioxidant wild rosehip oil and a balancing blend of essential oils. There's 30 mils here. They do amazing products, really, really beautiful. Their bath products are stunning. Let's blend it all in. I don't like rose smells, but this one's fine. It smells of lots of different aromatherapy type smells. I can't describe it. Wild Rose hand cream there, Neil's Yard Remedies. Then I got one of my favourite sprays, Fake Tan sprays from the Purity range. It's by St Tropez, and there's 14 mils here. Although I do prefer the vitamin one, only because I think it's just giving extra oomph to my skin. So it's a fake tan spray, but it's more of a gradual tanner. So if you were to spray your face, you won't turn out, like a couple of hours later, you won't be like fully dark, deep tanned. It's a gradual tanner. So it's a type of spray that I would use on my face and shoulders, like once a day, something like that. Yeah, it's one of the original sort of face sprays that I really, really loved. If I go on holiday, I tend to buy the bigger version because it's handy just to spray at night, just keep my tan topped up as well. So yeah, so there's that. Next, we've got a number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum, suitable for sensitive skins. And this 15 mils here. I love that we're seeing different brands in this box. I don't think we've ever had a Neal's Yard Remedies product in a Glossybox before. Certainly not a number 7. Definitely not a Too Faced either. Not that I can think of. Maybe Too Faced Better Than Sex and Scara we might have done. But yeah, I love that. I love that. It's different, seeing different products, isn't it? It says, for best results, use morning and night, smooth over the face and neck after cleansing, then moisturise with Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Day or Night Cream. So there's that. Next, we got a Sacha Joanne Hair Repair Mask. There's 30 mils there. And it says, intensive hair treatment for damaged hair, frizz reduction, leave your hair manageable with a silky shine and a healthy look. Apply to clean hair wet and comb through. Wait 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. It's got a hair mask. Then we've got a product by DHC. And this is a deep cleansing oil and it's a facial cleanser. And we've got 30 mils here. Dispense into dry hands, then massage onto dry face to dissolve makeup and other impurities. Rinse thoroughly. So yeah, so we got a cleansing oil there. Next, we got something rather heavy. Oh, it's a perfume. Eau de Parfum. This is One by Jennifer Lopez. Oh, I haven't tried this one. What do you smell of? Oh, what's the smell of? Does it say on the box? No, I've put it on my hand, haven't I, with the wild rose and yeah. No, it's just mingling. It's mingling into one. Oh, that's nice. It is nice. It's different to her other ones. This is more of a sexy sort of scent. Yeah, a nighttime sort of scent. More musky, possibly. I can't describe scents, but maybe you know. Lastly, we've got a lipstick by Revolution. This is Sheer Brilliant in shade Sheer Poise. Taking the wrapper off. So let's try it. Ooh, that's lovely. That is really nice. Can you see there? Yeah, really pretty shade. A nice sheer lipstick, lip gloss, hint of a tint. Yeah, I like that. Ooh, and it smells nice too. It smells of like sherbet-ish with all the other smells that I've applied on this hand. So those are all the products inside this year's Glossybox Easter Beauty Egg. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a full-size Diamond Light highlighting powder. We've got a Sacha Joanne hair mask. Neal's Yard Remedies Wild Rose hand cream. Neil Wolf Miracle Hairspray, DHS Deep Cleansing Oil, a Frank Body Mask, number 7 Protect and Perfect Serum, Revolution Sheer Brilliant in shade Poise, Holika Holika Sheer Butter Lip Balm, St Tropez Purity Gradual Tanning Spray, and lastly a perfume by Jennifer Lopez called One. So the cost of the box is £35, or if you are a subscriber to Glossybox's monthly beauty box, you can purchase this box for £25. Considering that the Too Faced highlighter to purchase alone is £30, oh my gosh, I think this is a really great Easter box. I really do. I love the fact that there's products in there that are not normally seen in Glossybox. It's nice not to have like repeats all the time. So yeah, that is really great. So if you're planning on buying a Too Faced highlighter, then you could get this box and get everything else for free, essentially, isn't it? But yeah, I do really like it. There's some products that I'm going to be passing on, but there's some products that I will keep myself. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this year's Easter egg? How does it compare to last year's? I can't remember, but I'd love to hear what you think, whether you think this one is better or not. I'd love to hear. And also if you bought it and if you're wondering whether to buy it or not, I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.